Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting upcoming mid-range smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A56. Get ready to explore how this device is redefining the mid-range market with premium features and stunning design. From a sleek new look to enhanced performance, the Galaxy A56 promises to deliver flagship-level quality without breaking the bank. Let's take a closer look. Design and display. First up, let's talk design. The Galaxy A56 is bringing a premium. The front features a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. This means your videos, games, and daily browsing will look and feel incredibly fluid. With a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, every detail pops, making it perfect for media consumption and productivity alike. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 is rumored to be powered by Samsung's Exynos 1580 chipset, delivering efficient performance for both daily tasks and multitasking. Memory configurations are expected to include options of 8GB or 12GB of RAM, coupled with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps and media. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts can look forward to a versatile camera setup. The rear module is expected to include a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro camera, catering to a wide range of shooting scenarios. For selfies, a 12MP front-facing camera is anticipated, neatly integrated into the display's punch-hole cutout. Battery and charging. The Galaxy A56 is likely to be equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 45W fast charging, a notable enhancement in the Galaxy A series, ensuring prolonged usage and quick recharge times. This means less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. Pricing and availability. While official pricing is yet to be confirmed, reports suggest that the Galaxy A56 may launch at approximately £439 in the UK, maintaining the price point of its predecessor, the Galaxy A55. The device is expected to debut in March 2025, with availability details to follow. That's all for today's deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy A56. Are you excited about this upcoming release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates from Vision Tech. See you in the next video.